Fun fact, Australia lost a war against emus twice. In 1932, Australia's wheat farmers in Western Australia were facing devastation from thousands of emus migrating into their farmland. The government, at the farmers' request, deployed a military unit armed with Lewis guns and 10,000 rounds of ammunition to cull the birds. This became known as the Great Emu War. The results were disastrous for the army. The emus, which can run up to 30.5 of a gig, was dead at 15.50 pf/h, proved to be highly resilient and difficult targets. They split into small, unpredictable groups, and their tough feathers and bodies could absorb multiple bullets. After a month of sporadic fighting, the military was forced to retreat, having killed only a few hundred emus at best. The media mocked the operation, and the emus effectively won, cementing their place as a symbol of chaotic, unstoppable nature.